Hey guys, to deal with her, to know if someone muted you on WhatsApp. So if you guys are wondering, if you want to go in as well, find out if somebody on your contacts muted you. In this video tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do that, step by step. So please watch this video until the end, to find out just how. Alright, you guys, so what we actually need to do first is, to basically be aware that there is no way, or a clear way, for us to know if somebody has muted us on WhatsApp. But there is a workaround, and there are some points to take into consideration to come into the conclusion that they have actually muted us. And the first point here is, if you won't receive message notifications from us them. Now, if they send you some messages basically, and then you don't receive any notifications of their message from your device, that is also one point, or a telltale that they might have muted you. One more thing is their messages won't show as unread. So if those 2 points are basically happening on your end with a specific contact, and also one more bonus point, that if their profile picture disappears whenever you go in and chat them, and from time to time, it basically disappears once you were contacting them. Basically, those 3 indications might tell you that they have muted you. So think it was. From watching this video, please like it and subscribe, and take care.